The Ketamine Queen has confessed. Woman who has sold Matthew Perry fatal dose pleads guilty. Hello and welcome to Breaking Celeb News, where we bring you the latest developments on the stories that matter most. Today, a seismic development has shaken the case surrounding the tragic death of beloved Friends actor Matthew Perry. The woman accused of supplying him with a lethal dose of ketamine, a notorious drug dealer known as the Ketamine Queen, has finally pled guilty. This is a monumental admission that puts an end to months of investigation and confirms the horrifying truth behind a legend's final moments. The admission of guilt and a history of tragedy. After months of investigation, Jasveen Sangha, the woman at the center of this tragedy, has entered into a plea agreement with federal prosecutors. She is the fifth and final defendant to do so, and in this agreement, she's pleading guilty to 5 federal charges. The most damning of these charges is the one for distributing the ketamine that directly resulted in Matthew Perry's death. According to her attorney, she's taking responsibility for her actions, a stark admission of her role in this devastating case. This plea deal does more than just close a chapter. It reveals a disturbing pattern. In her agreement, Sangha also admitted to selling the ketamine that caused another person's overdose death back in 2019. This solidifies her reputation as a dangerous criminal and adds a new layer of tragedy to the case. This wasn't a one-time mistake. It was the chilling work of a woman who preyed on those in need. The horrifying timeline of Perry's final days. The plea deal provides a terrifying look into the final tragic moments of Matthew Perry's life. Desperate for more ketamine than his doctor would legally prescribe, the actor was introduced to Sangha through an intermediary network that included his friend Eric Fleming and his assistant Kenneth Iwamasa. Court documents showed that Sangha ran a sophisticated high-end operation. Fleming reportedly messaged Iwamasa praising Sangha's product as amazing and noting that she only deals with high-end and celebs. This was no back-alley deal. This was a calculated transaction that delivered the very drug that would ultimately kill him. Just 4 days before his death, Perry purchased a massive quantity of ketamine from Sangha, a transaction now confirmed as the source of the fatal dose. Adding to the chilling narrative, Sangha reportedly advised Fleming to delete all of their messages immediately after news of Perry's death broke, a desperate attempt to cover her tracks. The conspiracy and the road to justice. With Sangha's guilty plea, all 5 defendants in this case, including Dr. Salvador Plasencia and Mark Chavez, along with Iwamasa and Fleming, have now reached agreements with prosecutors. While their sentences are still to be determined, this signifies that the entire network that enabled Matthew Perry's overdose is being held accountable. Matthew Perry's life was a testament to his talent, but also a public battle with addiction. This plea deal, while not erasing the pain, brings a sense of finality to the legal proceedings and holds accountable those responsible for his tragic passing. What are your thoughts on this plea deal? Do you believe justice is being served for Matthew Perry? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Breaking Celeb News for all the latest developments.